Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to copy a Google Sheet into an entirely different Google Sheet. So just as an example, I have this Google Sheet here where I want to actually duplicate this into a different Google Sheet. How do you actually go ahead about doing that? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and to the point, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but the way to actually do this is that you would actually just go ahead and click on the Google Sheet that you want to duplicate into another Google Sheet. So if you right click this and then click on copy to, and then click on existing spreadsheet, next all you have to do is find the actual spreadsheet that you want to copy this to. So if we actually copy this right here, we'll do core channels, KPI, and then click on here, and then click on insert. So now you can see that it's copying the sheet and that the sheet has successfully copied into that other spreadsheet. Now, if we open up that other spreadsheet, you'll see that now that spreadsheet has been copied into this spreadsheet, and that is actually how you duplicate it into another spreadsheet. So there you have it, guys. If you guys have a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.